Good morning, Trek team. Here we are together exploring awesome math, and our trek has taken us to the Palace Theater in Lockport, New York. Notice behind me are the sets. They're getting ready for their opening show, Les Mis. I can't wait to see it. This is an awesome place to come to. We have beautiful sets and actors and actresses, and they also bring movies here too. But I know where you like to go, and that's where we are, the candy. Okay, so what we're going to be talking about is adding and subtracting some decimals, and I knew you would like to use your candy here. Let me first tell you a little bit about the palace. The palace was built, it took 4 years to be built, and it was built in 1925. It cost $300,000 to build it, and the first show was the 10 Commandments. Now, not only are movies showed here, but also live performances. And in fact, like I told you before, Les Mis is coming July 11th to the 28th. Don't miss it. I think you'll enjoy it. I know it's one of my favorite musicals of all time. Anyway, so this has become a not-for-profit organization, and it's become a community building. And one of our really good friends of DeSales, Ellen Schratz, is the president of this board of these dedicated people who are just members of the Lockport community that want to make sure that this palace does wonderful things. And so she allows us to have our plays here. DeSales has plays here. I know there's definitely dance studios that put on their dance routines here, their recitals all the time. This is truly a community palace theater, and we're so lucky to have it in Lockport. All right, let's get to our math lesson for today. Our math lesson has to do with adding. All right, we're going to be adding decimals. When you come to the candy stand up here, I see Reese's. I love Reese's. Reese's are $2.50 right there. And then I'm sure my son loves these. What are these called? Oh, Sweet Tex. $3.50. Notice I need to line up my decimals, line them up, and bring them down. Real easy. This is an easy lesson today, a quickie. Line them up. 5 and 5 is 10. Carry 1. I have 3 and 3, 6. And bring it down. Line them up and bring it down for adding and subtracting of decimals. Very easy. Let's do one more. What if I gave the person behind the counter here a $5 bill? And I only wanted to buy, how about those M&Ms up there? So they're only $1.50. I need to subtract. Notice I line them up. Now $5, the decimal is always at the end of every whole number. So I need to just subtract normally like you did in second and third grade. 0 and 0 is 0 minus 0 is 0. I need to borrow here. 10 minus 5 is 5. Line them up and bring it down. Just bring it straight down, that decimal. 4 minus 1 is 3. You should get $3.50 change. Now, maybe you're hungry for something more than candy. There is an awesome cafe right next to it, to the palace, right outside the door. And it's called Scripps. They have delicious food. In fact, the faculty at DeSales has really enjoyed some of their delicious lunches. So let's do something a little harder. At Scripps, I really enjoy their club sandwich. Their club sandwich is $6.95. My husband always orders chicken Caesar salad. Their chicken Caesar salad, delicious by the way, is $6.50. I have a niece who is only about 6 years old, so I'm going to order a kid's grilled cheese sandwich for her. It comes with pickles and potato chips, and she loves it, so I'm going to add that down. Notice I have them all lined up, every number's lined up, especially the decimals. Line them up, and bring it down. Now let's add. 5 plus 9 is 14. Put down the 4, carry the 1. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 5 is 15, plus 9 is 24. Carry the 2. Do you look for 10s? I always do. 6 and 4 is 10, 16, 17, 18. That would be my bill. Line them up, and bring it down. And of course, we do have that little ditty that we sing in school. So want to copy that down for adding and subtracting decimals? Really easy. Line them up, then bring them down for adding and subtracting decimals. What are we going to do with decimals? We're going to line them up, then bring them down for adding and subtracting decimals. Alrighty, come on down to the Palace, see Les Mis, see the movies, buy the candy, go have a sandwich at Scripps, and we'll be trekking again tomorrow. Can't wait to see you. Bye-bye.